Hello, we're back again. What I'd like to demonstrate for this particular video is I intend to do an injector balance test. This vehicle is Vauxhall Corsa, a 1.2 Ecotec engine. Basically, they do suffer with injector problems. Now and again, they completely fail, but when you look at it, you have to check these things in a certain way. One way is this way, which is fairly straightforward. I'm going to use an injector actuator. As you can see just there, has 3 settings, 3 nodes. I'm going to use the high one. I'm looking for a high flow here, and I'm going to just come back onto it a little bit more about the setup here. There's the red lead, which is the power side, and the actuator side is the black wire here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the camera now. I'm going to move the camera onto the pressure gauge. There's a little bit of a glare there. I'm going to try and remove that. What I'm going to do now is actuate the pump through the relay. I'm going to do this through the scan tool. As you can see, the pressure's gone up, and now look, I'm going to wait till it drops to about 45 psi, and now I'm going to actuate the tool itself. And we have a pressure drop of around about 7 psi, although that's not correct. What I'm going to have to do here is check out whether the connections are okay. So I'll be back again. I'm going to wait till the pressure drops around about 45 psi. Now I'm going to activate the tool itself. That's gone down from 45 to 38 psi. A little bit low, but now I'm going to move on to the next cylinder, which is cylinder number 2, and we're going to check what we've got there. So this one was about 7 psi. Okay, so I've made a note of that. Now we're going to connect to cylinder number 2, and we'll see what we've got on this one. I'm looking for an equal drop across all cylinders here. Just get this connection. That should be good. We're good to go. I'm gonna now reactivate it. As you can see, the pressure's gone up. Now deactivate it. I'm going to look to where it drops, about 45 psi, and now I'm going to hit the deactivate button, and that has dropped to again of around about 37 psi. So again, the drop looks equal. The same on the first one, the same on the same cylinder. I'm not sure if that's correct. That's the correct amount. But nevertheless, I'm going to move on to cylinder number 3 now. Just the connections are a little bit awkward. Let's see if we've got that one in. That looks as if we're good to go there. Now I'm going to have to reactivate this again. Not stopping that. So I just wait for that pressure to drop to around about 45 psi, and then I'm going to hit deactivate that. Again, that's dropped from around 45 to around about 38. So we're looking at a drop of 7 psi again. Now, moving over to cylinder number 4. Making the connection. Again, these are a little bit awkward. That's that. Now we're going to have to reactivate again. That's the pressure going up. Stopping that pump. Again, I watch till it drops down to about 45 psi. Around there. Now, hitting the activate button, and again, we've dropped around to around about 38 psi there, so the drop seems equal, about 7 psi. Just note that one down, 7 psi across the board then. So these injectors appear to be delivering fuel equally here. The spec from around about 55 psi on this engine. I'm not so sure if that's adequate, but I'm sort of certain that it is, because the pressures, the drops across all 4 injectors appear to be equal. So therefore I have to say that this is probably running correctly. Okay, then I'll be back. I'm just going to reset.